Alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillahi wa ala alihi wa sahbihi, amma ba'd. يقول الله تعالى إنما يعمر مساجد الله من آمن بالله. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, indeed those who erect and keep the houses of Allah busy and working are those who believe in Allah. And today we are in one of these very active and important Masjid and Islamic Centre. It is Luton Islamic Centre, Masjid al-Ghurabaa, and with all other activities of it. They are upon a lot of duties that serve Islam and Muslims. And mashallah, beginning from the salawat, teaching, they have school, they are aiding the Muslims around the world, and they need your support and help, your dua, your contribution, your physical help. They need all that. But on top of this, the financial support, as all these works is in need for this help, this support, the financial support, so these works can continue and increase, inshallah, as a minaret that spread the light of Islam, the true and pure Islam, bi'idhnillahi ta'ala, in this country and in the whole world. Wallahu a'lam, wa sallallahu ala nabiyyina Muhammad wa ala alihi wa sahbihi, wa jazakumullahu khayran.